Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to Miss Asi Yubafiati SPD MPD as lecturer in speaking for academic purpose. First of all, I would like to thank you for the opportunity given to me today, Friday, 22 November 2024, so that I can present my research proposal presentation that I have prepared. I'm Sarah Agustina from the Department of English Education, Faculty of Language Education. On this occasion, I will deliver a presentation of my research proposal until the obstacle in improving listening skill in one of senior high school in Bandung. Here I will convey the background of why I chose this title. Background of the research in the context of learning English as a foreign language, EFL, listening comprehension is especially important. However, a lot of Bandung Senior High School students struggle with major issues that prevent them from learning how to listen well. In order to shed light on the fundamental problem influencing student listening comprehension, this study attempts to recognize and examine this barrier. The difficulties student inadequate vocabulary is a frequent obstacle to listening comprehension. Their comprehension of spoken language is hampered by a limited vocabulary, which make it challenging to understand lecture or discussion because they might not ask English outside of the classroom. Indonesian students are especially affected by this problem. When it comes to listening exercise, the classroom setting is crucial. When doing listening exercise, students may become distracted by outside noise from other course or extracurricular activities. Furthermore, with audio quality or insufficient sound equipment, might make listening much more difficult. The development of listening skill is greatly influenced by the efficiency of teaching strategies. Some educators can find it difficult to choose relevant research or as interesting teaching technique that accommodate a range of learning style. The unique difficulties that pupils have understanding spoken language might not be adequately addressed by traditional methods. Student performance on listening activities can be greatly impacted by anxiety and a lack of confidence. When asked to listen and reply in English, many students become scared, which can lower their motivation and involvement in class. Reluctance to participate in listening exercise is frequently the outcome of this psychological obstacle. Although frequent practice is crucial for enhancing listening abilities, many children may not receive enough exposure to real-world listening research. Their competence level may decline as a result of this insufficient exercise, making it more challenging for them to improve their listening skill over time. Resolving this issue is essential to improving Bandung Senior High School student listening ability. Teacher can help students develop better listening comprehension by emphasizing vocabulary development, stabilizing supportive learning setting, adopting efficient teaching strategies, removing psychological obstacles, and giving them additional practical chances. The goal of this study, the goal of this study is to provide insightful information on practical method for resolving these issues and improving EFL instruction in Indonesia. And next, here are opinion from two experts on definition of Caterham. One, explain the definition of listening. Listening is the activity of understanding or gaining insight into what students are talking about through hearing. This process includes paying attention, understanding, interpreting, and analyzing information message content, and understanding the communication that people make using written or spoken language. Karsina, 2018. Listening is the beginning of speaking ability. In the process of learning and getting to know a first or second language, people will start by listening first. It is also emphasized that listening is not only about hearing sound, but also about understanding the meaning of what is heard. Nation and Newton, 2009. Listening as understanding meaning. Both experts agree that listening is not only about capturing sound, but also about understanding the meaning contained in them. This means that barrier to listening can be caused by a lack of understanding of the context, culture of language used in communication. And next, graphical display of the conceptual framework, factor associated with student, vocabulary knowledge, effective cognitive, and next, impact of the environment, classroom environment, quality of audio equipment, instructional approach, instructional strategies, teacher training, next aspect of psychology, motivation, and anxiety. In conclusion, the complexity of the challenge Bandung Senior High School students encounter in developing their listening ability is highlighted by this conceptual framework. This research attempt to give a thorough grasp of the difficulties and suggest practical solution for improvement by looking at four interrelated factors: psychological demand teaching approach, environmental impact, and student-related issue. Next, methodology. Research design. The purpose of this study is to look into the challenge Bandung Senior High School students have when attempting to get better and at hearing in English. Using a qualitative approach and case study technique, the research design will provide a comprehensive knowledge of the difficulties faced by both teacher and student. One, method of research. A qualitative research design will be used for this study, enabling a thorough investigation of the participant perspective and experience with listening skill. Qualitative approach are especially useful for comprehending complicated phenomena like barrier to language acquisition. Method of research. Case study to concentrate on a single Bandung Senior High School, a case study methodology will be applied. This approach will make it easier to analyze the particular context in depth, enabling further investigation of the challenge children experience and the instructional technique teacher use. 3. Participant. A selection of the sample among the participant will be student about 30, 30, 33. Three participant selection of the sample among the participants will be students about 33 senior high school students from the church school are engaged in English language course. Teacher to English teacher are in charge of instructing student in listening technique. For sampling method, to course participant who are actively engaged in listening exercise and training, purposeful sampling will be used, guaranteeing that their perspectives are pertinent to the study goal. For data gathering technique, interview to acquire comprehensive information about student and teacher experience, difficulties, and perspective regarding listening skill. Semi-structured interview will be held with both groups. The following topic will be the main focus of the interview. Student. Challenge comprehending spoken English. Teacher method for instructing student in listening and perceive difficulties. Observation to record the teaching strategies employed, the classroom atmosphere, and the degree of student participation. Observation will be made during listening exercise. This will give background information to support the result of the interview. Next, focus group discussion to promote engagement and offer a forum for exchanging listening. Comprehension related experience focus group with student will be arranged. Next, analysis data. Thematic analysis will be used to examine the information gathered from focus group, observation, and interview. Coding the data info themes that surface from participant response is what this entails. Finding trend and connection between the themes can help you comprehend the typical challenge that both teacher and student encounter at manual coding method or software like NVivo for methodical analysis. Check moral point to remember. Before any data is collected, as participant will be asked for their informed consent, participant will be guaranteed an anonymity, and confidentiality during the whole study. Participants will be able to share their experience without worrying about the consequence thanks to adherence to ethical standards. 7. Anticipate result. It is anticipated that the study was set like on the following main challenge senior high school students have when trying to get better at listening. The effect of psychological element, instructional strategies, and contextual conditional on student listening comprehension. Next, a suggestion for typical method that the educator can use to improve listening education. Population and sample. Population participant in this research were all high school students who take English course at the Marga Asih Regional High School in Bandung. This demographic consists of a large number of students learning English, a foreign language, usually at age 10. The school has a total of about Okay. This demographic consists of a large number of students learning English as a foreign language, usually at age 10, 12. The school has a total of about 250 students, representing a variety of academic programs such as social studies and science. To sample, participants in this research will be selected using purposive sampling technique. Included in the sample are students. There are about 33 10th grade students who actively participate in English listening exercises based on their readiness to engage and their familiarity with listening exercises from their curriculum. This group will be selected. And next, data collection, a comprehensive data collection plan will be implemented to efficiently gather information regarding the challenge school students in Marga Asih Bandung face regarding their listening abilities. Several approaches will be used in this plan to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the existing problem. One participant, 33 grade 10 student at one particular high school in Bandung, will be the target of the investigation. Two English teachers will also participate to provide their perspective on teaching method and difficulty. Two, technique for gathering data survey. All 33 pupils will receive a structured questionnaire. The following will be on the questionnaire: age, gender, and educational background are example of demographic data. Next question about their experience with listening tasks, perceive difficulty and technique employed during listening activities make up the listening skill assessment. Next, environmental factor include like noise level and the caliber of the audio equipment used in the classroom. Next, psychological factor, listening task related question that with anxiety and motivation. 3, interview. Teacher and student will participate in semi-structured interview. Student to learn more about their individual experience with listening comprehension and the challenges they encounter. 10 or so student will be chosen for interview. Next, instructor in order to learn more about their teaching method, perceive difficulties and helping students develop their listening skill. And method for engaging student, all 5 English instructor will be interviewed. For observation in the classroom. During the classroom listening exercise, observation will be made. The following will be the research main focus teacher technique of interaction. Next, level of student participation in listening exercises, environmental element including the efficiency of audio equipment and noise disturbance. 5. Discussion in focus group. A small group of students, 8, will participate in a focus group discussion to encourage candid conversation about their perspective and experience with listening skills. This approach promotes communication and enable participants to expand on one another answer. 3. Analyze data. The information gathered from focus group observation interview and questionnaire will be examined using descriptive statistics. Qualitative data to find recurrent on listening skill barrier Thematic analysis will be used to examine observational note and interview transcript. The indicator rating based on the 33 student questionnaire replies on the different challenges they encounter when trying to improve the listening ability are summarized in the following table. Okay, very related to vocabulary. The ratio of the analysis show that limited vocabulary is one of the main factors that hinder student listening comprehension. The average score in this indicator is 3.8, indicating that many students find it difficult to understand conversation in English due to limited vocabulary. Next, environmental factor. Classroom, noise level and the quality of audio equipment also contribute to listening difficulties with an average score of 4.1. Students report that external noise interference greatly affected their concentration when participating in listening activities. Teaching methodology. The teaching method used by the teacher influences the effectiveness of learning listening skill. The average score for this indicator was 3.6, indicating that although there is variation in teaching strategies, much remains to be improved to increase student engagement. Psychological factor. A student level of anxiety and motivation are also important factors, with an average score of 4.0. For anxiety, many students feel stressed when having to listen to material in English, which negatively impact their performance. Motivation, the average score for motivation was 3.7, indicating that despite interest in English, many students felt less motivated to actively participate in listening activities. In summary, this research showed that there are several significant factors that influence student performance in senior high school in Marga Asih Bandung, including language difficulties, environmental degradation, ineffective teaching method, and psychological factors such as low motivation and anxiety. This show the need for more effective intervention in skill education, such as improving the quality of learning material and using more innovative teaching strategies to improve student learning suggestion. Based on this, it is recommended to teachers incorporate more general exercises into the teaching process, reduce distraction to create a more conducive learning environment, utilize more interactive and technology-based teaching method, provide a psychological environment to increase student motivation during learning is detrimental. We will end our presentation with enthusiasm to continue learning and development. Thank you and see you next time.